Hey guys, Fishy here. It's Friday, and that means it's Unfakery Friday. That's where we give you an action item, a small thing you can do to help us grow the page organically, to give us a little boost here and there in your feeds. So here's a trick you can use on any page, but we definitely want you to learn to use it on Unfakery. So you scroll down the Unfakery page till you get to the posts section, and you'll see every post has the like, the comment, and the share buttons there. And we definitely want to encourage you to do that. Facebook looks at these things as part of the engagement formula, whether it's important. So commenting and liking our posts does help us reach more people. So the other thing you can do that you might not know, if you click here under the shares, tells you how many people have shared it, it'll show the public shares. Anytime somebody has shared something from Unfakery publicly, you can see it there and you can like it. Now what that does is, if let's say someone shared something from Unfakery at 1 o'clock and you come back and you hit this share button and you see it at 6 o'clock, you can like their post as well, and it gives it the opportunity to go around into their feed through their friends again. Maybe their friends will see it a second time if they missed it at 1 o'clock. And another thing, you might find some interesting conversations going along through a thread by doing that as well, and you can comment there. That will further boost Unfakery and have more people see it. Again, all you have to do is click on where it says shares, go through and like those, and that way you give Unfakery a chance to be back in those feeds again. It's a real simple trick. As I said, you can use it on any page to help boost them, but we'd really appreciate it if you'd boost it here for us. That's the way we get to get more eyeballs on our page and bring more people to the wonder that is Unfakery. So thanks for doing that today and for continuing to do that. We really appreciate all the support. Thanks, guys.